So this is a new topic, solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. So जैसा कि हम क्लास 9th में क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल्स के फैक्टर करते थे, सो अभी हम क्या करना है, वही फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से हमें क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है. सो हम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड में क्या करते थे, हम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड में मिडिल टर्म को स्प्लिट करते थे. ठीक है. सो फॉर दिस वी कैन सी द एग्जांपल नंबर 3. Find the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 by factorization. So this is the equation, and the equation is a quadratic equation because the degree of the variable is 2. So this is a quadratic equation. So इसमें हम करते हैं कि जो x square का कोफिशिएंट है, this is 2, and constant terms से this is 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So according to this sign, ये डिसाइड करता है कि हमें इस फैक्टर्स को प्लस करके x का कोफिशिएंट चाहिए या फिर माइनस करके कोफिशिएंट चाहिए. एंड द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज 5. सो और यहाँ पर जो साइन है कांस्टेंट टर्म का, दिस इज प्लस. सो हमें 6 के ऐसे फैक्टर करने हैं जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करने पर तो 6 आए और ऐड करने पर 5 आए. So we can see the factors of 6 as 1 into 6 and this is 2 into 3. So when we multiply 2 by 3 we get 6, and when we add these two, this is 2 plus 3, this is equal to 5. So it means कि 6 के वो factors जो multiply होने पर 6 थे and add करने पर 5 थे, वो क्या होंगे 2 and 3. सो यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं दिस इज 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू, अब 5x को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 प्लस 3 लाइक एज दिस इज माइनस दिस इज 2 प्लस 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई x. सो जब हम इसको ओपन करेंगे सो वी विल गेट minus 2x and minus 3x. So this term 5x becomes minus 2x and minus 3x and then plus 3. So 2x square और minus 2x से हम 2x कॉमन ले सकते हैं. When we take out 2x as common, the remaining value is x minus 1. And in minus 3x and 3, when we take out minus 3 as common, so the remaining value is x minus 1. Now in both terms, when we take out x minus 1 as common, so the remaining value here is 2x and here remaining value is minus 3. So this is 2x minus 3 into x minus 1. It means the given equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 can be written as 2x minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. And this is the product of two functions. First function is 2x minus 3 and second function is x minus 1. Now when the product of two functions is 0, it means that either first function is 0 or second function is 0. So if 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, then the value of x is equal to 3 upon 2. And if x minus 1 is equal to 0, then the value of x is equal to 1. So हमें यहाँ पर x की दो values मिल जाती हैं, and these are the solution of the given equation. So in other words, also we can say कि 1 and 3 upon 2 are the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we see example number 4. So example number 4 is find the roots of the quadratic equation 6x square minus x minus 2. अब यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं the coefficient of x square is 6 and the constant term is minus, but हम साइन के साथ बात नहीं करते, हम विदाउट साइन बात करते हैं. तो 6 and 2 is 12. So यहाँ पर वैल्यू आती है 6 into 12 into 2 is equal to 12. अब ये साइन हमें केवल ये बताता है कि हमें इस 12 के फैक्टर करने पर माइनस करके कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स आना चाहिए. द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स इज 1. सो 1 चाहिए हमें फैक्टर करने, तो हम कर सकते हैं 1 into 12 फैक्टर हो सकता है. सो फैक्टर कैन बी 1, 12. हो सकता है कि 2 और 6 हो सकता है कि 3 और 4 हो. सो वी कैन सी कि अगर 1 into 12 करें तो 12 आता है, लेकिन 1 minus 12 करेंगे तो -11 आएगा. 2 into 6 करते हैं तो 12 आता है, बट 2 into minus 6 करने पर -4 आता है. 3 into 4 करने पर 12 आता है, 3 minus 4 करने पर -1 आता है. सो यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं दिस इज -1. सो वी कैन राइट एट इज एज दिस इज 6x square minus x minus 2. So we can write down as this is minus this is 4 minus 3 into x, and this can be written as minus 4x, and this is minus minus plus 3x. So यहाँ पर जो माइनस एक्स को हम लिख सकते हैं, दिस इज 6x square minus x, and minus x can be written as this is 3x minus 4x. So this is 3x minus 4x minus 2. Now 6x square and 3x, when we take out 3x as common, the remaining value is 2x plus 1, and in minus 4x and minus 2, when we take out minus 2 as common, so the remaining value is 2x plus 1. Now when we will take out 2x plus 1 as common, so the remaining value is 3x minus 2 into 2x plus 1. So now, so this equation 6x square minus x minus 2 can be written as 3x minus 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. And this is the product of two functions. First function is 3x minus 2 and second function is 2x plus 1. So when 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, then the value of x is equal to 2 upon 3. And if 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, then the value of x is equal to minus k half. So these are the two roots of this equation as 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 2. Now next example, example number 5. So next example is 3x square minus 2 under root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. So for this, this is 3x square so we can write down as the given equation is 3x square minus 2 under root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. हम देखते हैं कि 3 into 2. So coefficient of x square is 3 and constant term is 2, and 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So अब हमें 6 के ऐसे फैक्टर करने हैं जिसको प्लस करने पर 2 under root 6 आए. तो 6 के फैक्टर हो सकते हैं 1 and 6. ऐसा हो सकता है कि 2 और 3 हो, ऐसा हो सकता है कि 3 और 2 हो, या फिर इसका फैक्टर हो सकता है 6,1. तो ये सारे हमारे पास रेशनल नंबर की फॉर्म में. एक फैक्टर इसका हो सकता है अंडर रूट 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाई अंडर रूट 6. सो जो हम अंडर रूट 6 को अंडर रूट 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, देन वी विल गेट 6, एंड अंडर रूट 6 and under root 6 plus under root 6 is equal to 2 under root 6. So value becomes 2 under root 6 now. So this 3x square minus 2 under root 6 can be written as under root 6 plus under root 6 multiplied by x and plus 2 is equal to 0 now. So when we take out under root 3x as common, so the remaining value is under root 3x, because under root 3 into under root 3 is equal to 3. So when we take out under root 3 common, so the remaining value here is under root 3. Under root 6, under root 6 is under root 2 into under root 3. So this is under root 6 is equal to under root 2 into under root 3. So when we take out under root 3 is common, so the remaining value is under root 2. So here is under root 2 now minus. When we take out here and minus under root 2 is common, so the value becomes under root 3x, and here is minus under root 2. So now when we take out under root 3x minus under root 2 common, so this value becomes under root 3x minus under root 2 into under root 3x minus under root 2 is equal to 0. So this is also a function of this is the product of two function. When this function is equal to 0, then the value of x is equal to root 2 upon root 3. And now when this function is 0, so the value of x is equal to root 2 upon root 3. So these are the two roots of this given equation as 3x square minus 2 under root 6 plus 2 is equal to 0. So now the next example is find the dimension of the prayer hall discussed in section 4.1. तो section 4.1 में एक क्वेश्चन था कि कोई चैरिटी सोसाइटी है और वो चैरिटी सोसाइटी एक प्रेयर हॉल कंस्ट्रक्ट करना चाहती है, और जिसकी वहां पर हमें डायमेंशंस में एक रिलेशन दिया था कि द लेंथ ऑफ द प्रेयर हॉल इज 2 times 1 more than 2 times of the breadth. सो वहां पर हमने इक्वेशन फॉर्म किया था, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, उसको रिप्रेजेंट किया था सिचुएशन को एज 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0. So now when we apply the factorization method here, so what we will get, this is 2 into 300. So 2 into 300 is equal to 600. So हमें यहाँ पर 600 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स करने हैं जिनको माइनस करने पर क्या है, x आए, मतलब वैल्यू 1 आए. So माइनस करने पर तो हम जो 600 के फैक्टर करते हैं तो वैल्यू मिलती है 25 and 24. So when we subtract 24 from 25, we will get 1. So this becomes 2x square. This is plus 25x minus 24x minus 300 is equal to 0. And when we'll take out 2x as common, so the remaining value is x minus 12. And here when we take out 25 as common, so the remaining value is x minus 12. Now when we take out x minus 12 is common, so the value is here is 2x and the remaining value is 25. So this is 2x plus 25 is equal to 0 now. This is also the product of two function x minus 2 and 2x plus 25. So either this function will be 0 or this function will be 0. Now if x minus 12 is equal to 0, then the value of x is equal to 12. And if 2x plus 25 is equal to 0, so the value of x is becomes minus 12.5. But we know very well the length of breadth, the length or we can say the breadth can never be negative. ठीक है, so negative नहीं हो सकती, so that this is negligible, इसको हम accept नहीं करते हैं, and the value of x is equal to 12. So the breadth of the hole is 12 meter and its length is equal to 25 meter. So based on these examples, we try to solve the questions of exercise 4.2. So in the first question of 4.2, we also find the roots of the quadratic equations by factorization method. And in this methods, as we have done in the last examples, we try to solve that. So first is x square minus 3x minus 10. So first of all, the coefficient of x square is 1. So 1 into 10 is 10 and 10 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स करने जिसको माइनस करने पर क्या है 3. So 10 के ऐसे फैक्टर कर सकते हैं हम 5 और 2. So 5 minus 2 करने पर क्या मिलेगा हमें 3 मिलेगा. Second one, here it is 2x square plus x minus 6. So when we multiply 2 by 6, so we will get 12 और यहाँ पर है minus sign. So हमें minus करके क्या लाना, coefficient of x is 1. So 12 के हम factor कर सकते हैं as 4 and 3. So 12 के ऐसे factor, this is 4 minus 3 is equal to क्या होता था. Now the third one, so this is under root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 under root 2 is equal to 0. So for this, so the given equation is under root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 under root 2 is equal to 0. So when we multiply this under root 2 by 5 under root 2, so the value becomes 10. So हमें इस 10 के ऐसे फैक्टर करने हैं जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करने पर तो 10 आ जाए और सम करें तो 7 आए. So we can do as this is 2 or 5. So 2 into 5 is 10 and 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So middle term can be written as this is 2 plus 5 into x. So this is under root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 under root 2 is equal to 0. Now if we take out under root 2x is common, so the remaining value is x plus root 2. And when we will take out 5 as common, so the remaining value is x plus root 2, which is equal to 0. Now when we take out x plus root 2 is common, so the remaining value is under root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now this is the product of two functions. Either this function is 0 or this function is 0. So when x plus root 2 is equal to 0, so the value of x is equal to minus root 2. And if under root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, so the root 2x is equal to minus 5 and the value of x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. So these are the roots of the quadratic equation. Now example number 2, solve the problems given example number 1. So example number 1 में पहली प्रॉब्लम थी जहां पर जॉन एंड जीवंती हैं जिनके पास 45 मार्बल्स हैं और वो इसके बाद फिर अपने जब 5 मार्बल्स को वो दोनों लॉस करते हैं तो उनके पास जो रिमेनिंग मार्बल्स बने उनका प्रोडक्ट आता है 124. सो वो प्रॉब्लम्स को हमें यहाँ पर सॉल्व करना है. So in that case, the John and Givenchy together have 45 marbles. If they left 5 marbles each, the number then the product of number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find the solution. ठीक है, तो इस केस के अंदर हमने यहाँ पर इक्वेशन बनाई थी, इक्वेशन फॉर्म हुई थी हमारे पास. दिस इज x स्क्वायर माइनस 45x प्लस 324 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो अब हमें यहाँ पे इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है बाय द फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. सो फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, 324 के फैक्टराइज करते हैं. ठीक है, सो 324 को फैक्टराइज करने पर हमारे पास वैल्यू ऐसी आनी चाहिए जिसको सम करने पर क्या है 45. सो लाइक दिस वी विल सॉल्व. And in the second part, the quadrication becomes this is x square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. यहाँ पर भी मैं 750 के ऐसे फैक्टर करने जिनको प्लस करने पर क्या है 55 है। Now question number 3. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. So दो numbers हैं जिनका sum 27 and product क्या है 120 182. So we can choose let x be the first number. ठीक है, तो हम चूज कर लिया कि x क्या है फर्स्ट नंबर है. So उसके बाद में क्या होगा देन the second number is equal to ये वैल्यू जाएगी क्योंकि सम दोनों का कितना 27, तो अगर एक नंबर x है तो दूसरा कितना होगा 27 minus x. So this is 27 minus x. Now it is given that the product of number is 182. It means that so the product of numbers is equal to this is 182. So we can form the equation as this is x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. So let's go solve करेंगे. So we will get this is 27x minus x square is equal to 182, and we can write down as this is x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0, and this equation finally becomes now let x be the first number, then the second number will be 27 minus x. Now x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. So this value becomes 27x minus x square is equal to 182. And when we when the all values of left hand sides will go in the right hand side, so value becomes positive. So this is x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. This is in quadratic equation. So the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is 182. So this is 1 into 182 is equal to क्या हो जाएगा, this is 182. So हम 182 को फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं. So हम जब 182 को फैक्टराइज करेंगे so we will get this is 2 into 91. So 91 को जब फैक्टराइज करेंगे तो this is 7 into 13. This is the prime factorization of 182. Now अब हम देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर क्या प्लस है. इसका मतलब 182 के ऐसे फैक्टर करने जिनको प्लस करने पर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x 27. So we can see 7 into 2 this is 14 and this is 13. So 14 और 13 को मल्टीप्लाई करने पर मिलता है 182, तो 14 प्लस 13 करने में मिलेगा 27x. So now we can write down as this is x square minus this is 13 plus 14 x plus 182 is equal to 0. Now so this is x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 is equal to 0. When we'll take out x as common, so the remaining value is x minus 13, and when we'll take out minus 14 as common, so the remaining value is x minus 13, which is equal to 0. So now when we take out x minus 13 as common, so the remaining value is x minus 4. This is x minus 14, which is equal to 0. This is the product of two functions. So either x minus 13 is equal to 0, or this is x minus 14 is equal to 0. So we can say that if this is x minus 13 is equal to 0, so the value of x is equal to 13, and if this is x minus 14 is equal to 0, so the value of x is equal to 14. So these are the two numbers 13 and 14 whose sum is 27 and the product of these numbers is equal to 182. Now the next one, find two consecutive positive integers sum of whose square is 365. So consecutive positive integers are those numbers जो लगातार होते हैं, एक की बात मतलब 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, और दो consecutive positive integers के बीच में जो डिफरेंस होता है वो 1 होता है. ठीक है. So we can choose let x and x plus 1 be the two consecutive positive integers. So, and the square of it means that x square plus x plus 1 का whole square and the sum of whose square is 365. So this value is given 365. इसको solve करेंगे, then we will make a quadratic, and quadratic को solve करने के बाद we will get the value of x. Now the next one, the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So suppose this is a right angle triangle, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So BC is the base, AB is the altitude, and AC is the hypotenuse. And hypotenuse is given, this is 13 centimeter. So let us choose that. Suppose the base of a right angle triangle of x centimeter. So according to condition, the altitude of the right angle triangle, this is 7 centimeter less than its base. So this is x minus 7. Now we can use the Pythagoras theorem, and Pythagoras states that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular or altitude square. So we can say the hypotenuse is 13 square is equal to, this is x square and plus this is x minus 7 whole square. So when we'll solve this, we will get a quadratic, and the quadratic को solve करने के बाद हमें value मिल जाएगी x की. Now the next question is 6. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular date that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the cost of production on that day was 90, then find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So let us choose that. Let x be the number of pottery articles produced on that particular day. तो मान लिया कि उस particular day में जो cottage industry है वो x pottery articles produce करती है. So according to question, the cost of each article produced on that day is equal to, this is 3 more than twice the number of articles produced that day. So number of pottery articles produced that day is x, and 2 times of this is 2x, and 3 more than means that this is 2x plus 3. So the cost of each article produced on that day is rupees 2x plus 3. Now, what is the total cost? So total cost of production is, this is equal to number of pottery articles, this is x, and the cost of each article means that this is 2x plus 3. So the product of these two, x into 2x plus 3, which equals to 90. This is given, the total cost day of production is 90. So this is 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. Of 90 into 2, this is 90 into 2 means this is 180. So जब हम 180 के factors हमको करने हैं, and 180 के में ऐसे factors करने हैं जिनको minus करने पर क्या है 3. So जब 180 के factor करेंगे, so this is 1 हो सकता है, this is 1 into 180 हो सकता है. 2 से करेंगे तो 2 को और 90 को लिख सकते हैं. So 3 के साथ हम 60 लिख सकते हैं. हम देख रहे हैं कि जैसे जैसे नंबर्स हम बढ़ाते हैं वैसे वैसे डिफरेंस का कम. सो हम चलते हैं, सपोज दिस इज 10 से करेंगे तो यहाँ पर आएगा 18 माइनस 10 इज 8, 11 से डिवाइड होगा नहीं, देन 12 into 15, 12 into 15 is 180, and 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. Okay, so the factor is 15 and 12. So 3 can be written as 15 minus 12. So this is 2x square plus 15 minus 12 into x minus 90 is equal to 0. So when we open this bracket, so we will get 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. So when we take out x as common, so the remaining value here is 2x and here is 15. And here when we take out as minus 6 as common, so the remaining value is 2x plus 15. And when we'll take out 2x plus 15 as common, so the remaining value is x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now this is the product of two functions. First function is 2x plus 15 and another function is x minus 6. So either this value becomes 0 or this value will be 0. So if 2x plus 15 is equal to 0, then the value of x is equal to minus 15 upon 2. So, and this is negative. तो जो number of pottery articles हैं वो negative तो हो नहीं सकते. It means this is negative. इसको हम accept नहीं करते. So if x minus 6 is equal to 0, then the value of x is equal to 6. It means the number of pottery articles produced that day is equal to 6. And when we talk about the cost, so when we put the value of x here, this is 6 into 12 plus 3, this is 15. So the cost of each article produced on that day is 15. So like this, we will complete this exercise 4.2, and thank you all.